Come on, bird, have some of this honey. You want some of this honey as well, man? You want some of this? Yeah, you want it. You all want this. Oh, all this honey. Oh yeah, you like this? Oh, like, wow, they're going crazy. You like this, guys? You like it? Look at them, man. They're like going crazy. They're going insane. Here, you want some of this? Woo! Yeah, here, come on. Come on. You want some of this? You have to jump in my hand. You want some of this? You have to jump in my hand. Come on. Come on. Ah. Come on. You want this? These birds are going insane. Whoop. Oh, look at this bird. There's dirt all over its nose, man. Oh, whoop. Fuck you, man. You're not gonna get that. See that bird? Doesn't have any at the tip of its beak. I'm gonna call it a name. I'm gonna give it a name. Mr. P. Look at, hey, here's Mr. P. Hey, Mr. P, how are you? Mr. P, have some honey, man. Yeah, you like this honey? Oh, fuck you, you've beaten up Mr. P. Oh, Mr. P's over there. He's gonna come back, he's flying back. Here you go, man. Oh yeah, he's loving it. Oh, he's loving this stuff. He's loving it, he's out of control. He's out of it. Oh, look at him. He's going absolutely insane for this honey. Oh, Mr. P. Fuck, he's loving this honey, man. He's out of it. Going out of control. Mr. P. Mr. P.